not art. It's just. Um, um, spare me a bit of bread. Spare me your mercy. I am child so young, so deep, so vast. Why are you staring at me? With my eyes I cannot see, but I know you are always staring at me. Why are we whispering to one another? Why? Do you know my mother? Do you know my father? Did you know me 5 years ago? Yes. 5 years of bitterness have passed. I can still remember the vast happiness matter, and I shared with each other. We were very happy indeed. Suddenly, 5 loud knocks were heard on the door, and a deep silence ensued. With approval, we want to discover our peaceful home. Mother wants father started pleading. Please, please, hide in the cellar. They're in the cellar, they cannot find you. I pulled my father's arm, but he did not move. It seemed as though his feet were glued to the floor. The door went bang, and before us, 5 ugly beasts came marching in. Are you Captain Luis Santos? Roared the ugliest of them all. Yes, said my father. You are under arrest, said one of the beasts. They pulled my father roughly away from us. Father does not have a chance to bid us goodbye. We followed them mile after mile. We were hungry and thirsty. We saw a group of Japanese eating. Oh, how our mouths watered, seeing the delicious food they were eating. Suddenly, we heard a voice calling, Consuelo! Oscar! Consuelo! Oscar! Consuelo! Oscar! We ran towards the direction of the voice, but it was too late. We saw father hanging on a tree, dead. Oh, it was terrible. He had been badly beaten before he died. And I cried, vengeance, vengeance, vengeance. Everything went wrong. The next thing I knew, I was nursing my desolate mother. One day, we heard the church bell ringing. Ding, dong, ding, dong. It was time for us to find our shelter in our hideout. But I could not leave my invalid mother. I tried to show her the way to the hideout. Suddenly, the bombs started falling. The earthquakes were roaring overhead. The cannons were firing everywhere. Boom! 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 Mother was killed. Her legs were shattered in pieces. I took her in my arms and I cried. I held patience. Patience. No, I'm sorry. Patience is glad. But I cried out patience. But I cried out patience. I was like a pent-up volcano. I'll help patience. Patience is mine as Lord. No, I'm sorry. Patience is not ours. It's God. That was the word from my mother before she died. Mother was dead, and I was blind. Patience is not art. To forgive is divine. Patience, but patience is sweeter. Spare me a piece of bread. Spare me your mercy. I am a child so young, so thin, so rough. Vengeance is not ours. It's God. It's God. It's